This is a microphone flag or nameplate, widely used for many, many, many years as an identifier for a station's call letters. I like the way they look, so I wanted to make one for myself. I designed this part in a program called Cut 2D for 2 dimensions. And then this program lets me see a simulation of the manufacturing process, like this. Next, using a bandsaw, I cut a small slab of aluminum from a larger piece. It cuts much faster than I do. And here's the workpiece I ended up with. Aluminum 1/4 of an inch thick, about 3 inches by 5 inches. The milling machine is now programmed to make this part. Here's what it looks like on the display screen. And over here on the left side of the screen is the G-code or instruction set scrolling by. This is the milling machine actually cutting the part. And here's the part when it's complete. The next step will be preparing it and powder coating it. Here we are, ready to apply the powder coating. This is the gun that holds the paint powder, and it is connected to the air compressor down here on the floor. And it's also connected to this power supply, which generates 11,000 volts, and that causes the paint to be attracted to the metal that I'm spraying. It will later be baked in an oven to set the paint. The cardboard box serves to contain the powder. Now the painting is done. Keep in mind that this is not permanent, it's just loose powder. It still has to be baked. And to prove it's just powder, here's my thumbprint, but that will be hidden when it's assembled. And now I'm going to put the workpiece in the oven, and we can see what happens in about 30 minutes. Oops, almost dropped it in the floor. Anyway, I put the rack in the oven and just sit back and wait. Well, there it is. Well done. Okay, here we go. We have the finished baked product, all black, and now we need to turn the letters into a light color, and I can do that one of 2 ways: by sanding it on the top, which sands the raised areas, or by shaving a few thousandths of an inch off the top. And that is what we are watching now. And here is the finished product mounted on an Astatic D104 microphone head.